Hey man, what's good with y'all niggas, man? Wait, am I allowed to say that shit? Wait, I don't even know if I'm allowed to cast on here, but anyways, my name is Dontavius, man. I just started making my music like not that long ago. I've been making music for what, like I'll say maybe like 2 months, and I just released my second song, which is doing amazing on Spotify, by the way. So go check it out. And I wouldn't even necessarily say I have a studio, but I have a way for us as brokies, as normal, as regular, YNs or whatever the fuck. Damn, that was corny as fuck. But anyways, you know, so I got a way for us to make music. You know what I'm saying? So why don't I just go ahead and take you guys outside? You heard me, outside. So let's go outside. We're not gonna run hands, even though I'll beat your niggas ass up, But anyway, let's go ahead and go outside so I can show you what the fuck I'm talking about, nigga.
Alright, so we're now outside, and I'm sorry, I apologize if it's very windy. It's calling to cover up the mic.
So no, I apologize if it's very windy, but we're outside right now. So as you can see from behind me, we have a car here. So what you're gonna need is a car. I hope that you have a car, but if you don't have a car, you can probably use your parents while they're home. You know what I'm saying? If they're not at work, just use your parents' car, and that's gonna work just as fine for this demonstration. And what you're also gonna need is what's in this bag. So we're gonna go ahead and go what's in this bag, because what's in this bag makes everything happen. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and let me show you what's in the bag. Yes, sir. All right, don't judge me. Don't judge me. Relax. The reason I have this is because I'm so fucking dumb. I keep on running out of gas, so I carry this around. So that's why, these are my basketball shoes. We're not gonna talk about that. What we have in this bag is back in the house with everything, you know, put like separately, so I could actually go in detail and show you how to connect everything and put it together. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring the camera closer so I could show you how I set up everything basically. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go into detail. So the first thing is the is the computer. So what you do is you know I would assume that you have the software that you need to record your music on installed in the computer. So let's go ahead and say that you got that situated. And if you message me, so you probably got that. You message me on Instagram. So this cable comes in a box with this fucking thing. For some reason, I can't remember the name of it. I know the name of it. The Scarlet Solo, but I can't remember what it's called. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like the music term or whatever the fuck. Anyway, so these two things come together like this: the cable and the Scarlet. So I have the Scarlet Solo, so which is probably gonna be the best one you could get. I got it for like 100. It was $100 on Amazon. But what I did was, as you can see, it still has the plastic on it. But what I did was, I did the payment plan, and I was paying 33, yeah, a month, and it was 3 payments. So I just finished paying it off like this month, I think. Like I had all this stuff obviously before I made my first song, or before I release my first song. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the USB cable that comes with it, plug it into the back over here, into the USB little John little shit. Then you're gonna go ahead and plug the USB cable into your computer. So this computer only has one SUB. Oh, it has two. I don't even know. SU fucking know, bro. Anyways, as you can see when I plugged it in, the lights came on. There's so you go ahead and do that. There's a lot of other stuff that goes into connecting this into the computer. You can either watch other people's videos, or if you like, can comment and reach out to me, or I could in the future I'm gonna go ahead. This is a series, so I'm gonna go ahead and release another video on that part, but for now we're just doing the equipment. And then you're gonna go ahead and take your XLR cable, gonna go ahead and put that, plug it into the, into the Scarlett. So you're gonna go ahead and take that, and I just did that shit the wrong way, and the wrong way again. Seems like the first time was right, and holy shit, okay, come on, man, you're embarrassing me. Anyways, there you go. I can't see shit with this thing on my face. And then you're gonna take the other end, I think it's called the female end or whatever the fuck, or the male end, and then stick it into that part over there of the mic, of the Shure mic. So you're gonna go ahead and put that in there, boom boom. And then once that's connected, you're gonna go ahead and take your headphones, which if you got the right ones from Amazon with the links that I have provided, you're gonna go ahead and make sure it comes with this little feather right here. Plug that little feather in. It should come with the headphones, and then you're gonna plug this little feather into the headphone jack in the front. Just plug it in like that. Then you open up your computer, you go into your DAW settings, you connect this to that, and you get to recording. But again, I will make a video in the future going into details on that end. And yeah, so it depends on what DAW you have. It might be different for you, but I will go into detail for Logic Pro X because it's the one that I use. It's the one that I'm familiar with. So again, reach out on Instagram if you have a MacBook, or I'm not sure if Logic Pro X works on Windows, but I could show you or give you videos on how I was able to obtain it. And yeah, for now, this is all I have. I would say all of this equipment, so $50. This was like $20. This was like $100. So yeah, that's not very expensive, It's not a lot of stuff. And again, so yeah, if you have a car, you record it in that, and this is about it. This is as cheap and as simple things get. Just you know what I mean. So anyways, guys, this is the outro, and I just wanted to remind you guys to go ahead and check out everything in the link in the description, and go check out my music. There is a whole different channel for my music, so check it out. And my on my channel, go to the feature channel, and you should see my music channel. It should be there. And yeah, go ahead and subscribe to that. Check out my music it's available on all platforms. Basically, whatever platform you like listening to music, it's on there. My song is White Nights, basically doing a whole lot better on Spotify. So again, if you're interested in getting the DAW, message me on Instagram or follow me on Instagram, and then reach out. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, basically this is the end, and
oh my god,
I have to keep on releasing So yeah, guys, I appreciate you niggas for watching. Adios.
Understand while I find my logic can be amazing. 24/7, I just wanna be dreaming for the weak ones, and I hope you make it. 24/7, I just wanna be dreaming. If I wake up, I know that shit gon' be hard. 24/7, I just wanna be dreaming. So I dream on, never waking up again. What the fuck? Hell no, hell no, oh no, oh no. Fuck it up.